All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. The market has been moving down today. We're on day 94 of our live options trading series on this channel where we are trading options live, looking to be able to make money selling options. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at where the market, what has happened in the market. By the way, I apologize if my audio is a little bit off. I'm currently traveling right now. I'm actually overlooking the Caribbean Ocean right now. I'm in this incredible condo off the on Dominican Republic. In the Punta Cana area, actually, the Bavaro region. Any of you familiar with that? Anyway, a little bit of background music going on, so I don't know if you guys can hear that on the mic or not. But I want to make this quick video very quickly because the market's moving a lot today. So let's just take a quick look at the market. The market is down today. Let's see, one day we're down 3.5% per day, and it's been. I mean, if you were to go back over the week, you can see the market has been moving down the past couple of days, actually. So let's take a look at what that's done to our positions overall. There's a boat going by with some music on, so hopefully that's not bothering you guys too much. Let's go ahead and take a quick look. All right, here we go. Of course, here's our collateral value. Here's our current account value. And we have a lot of buying power. We're going to leave that alone right now because if you take a look right here, we have several positions in red. The question, though, is what is their current delta? Keep in mind, we don't really touch a position until we get to about that 30 delta. 30 delta. So let me just show you that. November 8th is the expiration date for this put, and the strike price is 1800. So let's go look at that. November 8th. And so we're looking for the puts. Look at 1800. This is the put. The delta on that's 10, delta of 10. That means we have a 90% chance of that option succeeding by November 8th, essentially, or ending up in our favor by November 8th. So we're not too worried about that. 90% looks good. Let's come back down. Here we go. We'll come to the next one. October 25th as the expiration date. The strike price is 2100. So we'll go look at that real quick. October 25th. 2100. The delta on that's 18. Okay, so it's getting a little bit closer to that 30, but we still got a little ways to go, so we're safe right there. And we'll just keep going up the list here. October 11th, 2200 options. So we'll go to the 11th, 2200. Okay, I just did that one. We'll come to this one. Oh, sorry, we'll come to this one. October 4th, 2300. That's essentially tomorrow. No, that's 2 days from now, right? October 4th, yeah. So if we go look at 2300, that's 18 delta right now. October 4th, 2300. October 4th, 2300, 18 delta. So we're still pretty good. I mean, literally, I think this is the toughest one. $19 delta. Yep. So we're pretty good right now. There's not too much to worry about. Sorry, I'm just going back over them. 18 delta. Okay. Yeah, there's too much to worry about right now. There's not too much to worry about right now. So this is what I like about options. The market's pulled back against us, but all of our positions are still pretty good. We will kind of watch this particular position. Now, oftentimes I like to sell options, especially if I have a little bit of buying power available. I can get a little bit itchy because this is what basically 3 or 4 contracts I could potentially sell right now. I'm not going to because we do have options that are over that 15 delta. At about 15 delta, I'm a little bit more cautious with my buying power because I don't know when I'll have to shift and adjust. Now, worst case scenario, last month, keep in mind, we ended up doing about $1,000 in extra collateral value. We added $1,000 to our collateral value. So worst case scenario, if we had to cut losses right now, we really don't have too much to worry about. We wouldn't take too big of losses. The red numbers can look a little bit scary. The reason I wanted to make this video is because even though the market's been moving against us steady, I think this is the second or third day in a row the market's pulled back, we're still okay. We're still totally okay. Our collateral value is still holding, and every single one of these positions right now has a greater than about a, I think the worst one has about a 79% chance of going against us. So we're still really, really good right now. So we're just gonna hang tight. I'll continue to watch the market as I've been traveling. I've been watching the market on my phone, a little app, little pricing app. I think it's Coin Stats, lets me know what the market's doing. And that's what let me know that I even need to look at the market. So I had to open up my laptop and hop on the internet real quick because I just want to get a better view of what's going on. And again, there's just not a whole lot to worry about just yet, but I will continue to monitor it. Where Ethereum's at 2,300 at 2,367. So if we start taking, big dips, we start hitting down to 2,300, I would definitely hop back on just to double check. Yeah, this position right here should be in trouble if we hit 2,300. So if that were to happen, then I would know this position's in a little bit of trouble. But again, for now, we're good. This position is going to have to move about 3% from now, about 36. Yeah, it would have to move about 2.5% right now for it to be in trouble. Which is, by the way, this is one reason this is a small. If you saw me when I sold. Oh, actually, maybe I didn't even sell this one on camera. I think I sold this position right after I got off camera last time because I had a little bit of buying power available. But this is why it's risky to sell options that are really close to expiring. You have theta decay working in your favor, so people like that. That's why they like to sell options 1 day out, 2 days out, 0 day to expiration, as they like to say right here. You'll see people like to sell these options 0 day to expiration, 1 day to expiration, because you come over here to 1 day to expiration and you can sell an option. It's like, oh, here's a 6 delta, or right here's an 18 delta. Oh, I can sell that and make 2% inside of 2 days. Yes, but that 18 delta, it doesn't take much to go against you for that to end up. I mean, a 3% move can happen. It's happened so far today. So another 3% move, and this position could be in trouble potentially. All right, I'm getting out of here. Hope you enjoyed this update. Thank you so much for watching. This is Crypto Wealth. I'm out.